Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Sean's Hawkins YouTube channel. I got my sister Janae here. Say hi. Hi. So we're going to be making some chicken nuggets. She already got like 3. Yeah, she got 3 in the bowl. I'm going to get my bowl.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4,
Janae.
5, 6,
Remember.
7, 8,
Okay.
9, 10, 11, 12. Turn the
So
sink
guys,
off.
I got my bowl right here.
Turn the sink off. Get your bowl.
Janae.
1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Stop the bite of the rod. And then we're gonna put these 2 minutes. Why that's why that is no caution. So you can either use ketchup or barbecue sauce.
Look at this. Honey barbecue sauce. Honey barbecue sauce. Oh.
Or ranch. Hold up. Or ranch.
Chicken ranch.
And skip the bacarati. Bang bang. Oh no.
Yeah, this is like really full. Like, there's no way you could fit out one more thing here.
Yes, you can.
As long as you just squeeze it over there. Or right
you can
there.
you can fit this box.
Or
in there.
just
You can fix this box. You can fit this box in there.
bruh.
See. Just like shut it like this.
I want you to open it. See? You can't fit out one single thing in there.
Now see.
I was gonna make peanut butter and jelly, but no. Hold up, guys. Excuse me.
Why are you showing yourself?
Hold up.
I think it falls.
Hold up. Excuse me. It's done.
It's done finally.
Are you gonna record me? Yeah. Smells pretty like ketchup. Smells pretty like soap.
Oops. Not.
Smell like
I
soap.
mean 30 more seconds.
So guys, follow me. Be really quiet.
I don't know, like, they wasn't in the rag.
She was just asleep.
Food's done.
What's on? So now I'm record you. So now she just passed the camera over to me. This is hers. I'm getting mine right now. Smell this, guys.
I decided to put mine on a plate.
Wow.
Huh?
So yo guys, this is going to be all that we're doing.
Okay, bye.
Huh?
Bye.
So this we're gonna what? This is the only thing we're gonna be showing today. So yo, like, subscribe, comment down below.
We should show about is.
I don't know. That's just kind of rude.
No, it's not, because the Chinese people will be showing other people how they be eating.
I know. I don't roll like that. I don't eat in front of other people's faces, even if they're on camera. But like, subscribe, comment down below what y'all want us to cook next.